One of these robot vacuums handled my house like a pro, and the other one kept getting stuck in places that shouldn't have been complicated at all. And that difference and a few others cemented which one I'd recommend for busy homes like mine. At first glance, the Eufy E25 and the Yeedi S16 Plus look almost interchangeable. They're both all-in-one robot vacuums with fully automatic stations, meaning the station empties the dustbin, washes the mop, empties dirty water, refills clean water, and even adds cleaning solution directly to the mop for you. There's very little day-to-day maintenance with either of these. Both robots can vacuum only, mop only, or vacuum and mop at the same time, and both of them automatically lift the mop when they reach carpet so you don't end up with damp rugs. On paper, this is a very even matchup. Quick transparency note, the Yeedi S16 Plus was sent to me free by the company. The Eufy E25 was not, but my opinions here are based entirely on my own real-world testing, not what any company wants me to say. If you're shopping for a robot vacuum right now, check the affiliate links in the description. I always test these things in my real home, and subscribing means you'll see real-life wins and problems before you buy. Now, let's talk about where they start to feel very different in real life. Obstacle avoidance. This is the biggest separator between the two. The Yeedi S16 Plus has significantly better obstacle avoidance. It consistently avoided socks, cords, guitar stands, and even these crisscross chair legs that trip up most robot vacuums. I didn't have to pick up tricky things or baby it. The Eufy E25, on the other hand, got stuck frequently. It struggled with chair legs and could not figure out these guitar stands, getting stuck over and over. If your house isn't perfectly staged before every run, you're going to want to make sure to have your no-go zones set to keep this away from any tricky spots. Mopping design and edge cleaning. The mopping systems are actually pretty similar. They both have roller mops, which, in my opinion, are the top-tier robot mop design available right now, because they constantly wash the mop while they're running, avoiding spreading sticky messes like stationary or spin mops sometimes do. The Eufy E25 uses a long mop that extends almost the entire length of the robot, while the Yeedi S16 Plus uses a shorter mop that can contract and extend outwards, and that design choice shows up immediately along walls and baseboards. The Yeedi does a much better job of mopping edges. It actually reaches them. The Eufy tends to leave a visible strip untouched along the edges of rooms. That said, vacuuming corners is where the Eufy E25 does better. Its extendable side brush pulls debris in more effectively in tricky spots, so for crumbs in the corner, Eufy has the advantage. Vacuum performance. In my crushed corn chip test, the Yeedi S16 Plus picked up noticeably more debris. I like corn chips because they get stuck in carpet fibers, and not every vacuum has the ability to get them free. The Eufy E25 left mess behind in areas where the Yeedi cleared it in one pass. This wasn't a small difference. It was obvious enough that I noticed it during normal cleaning, not just testing. Apps. Both have very good, easy-to-use apps, allowing you to customize everything from suction and water levels to scheduled cleanings and no-go zones. But the Yeedi app does even more with intelligent hosting and 3D obstacle avoidance settings that allow the robot to learn as it goes. Battery life and efficiency. Both robots have solid battery life. The Eufy E25 performs well right out of the gate and maintains good efficiency. The Yeedi S16 Plus had a rough first run. It went over the same areas multiple times and wasted battery. But once it learned my layout, it became much more efficient. After that learning phase, it was able to complete my entire 1,000 square foot main floor on a single charge consistently. Dock and design. If aesthetics matter to you, the Eufy E25 has the edge here. Its station is a bit smaller and more visually polished. The Yeedi dock is functional, but pretty boring and boxy. Even with that in mind, the robot I prefer overall is the Yeedi S16 Plus. Because with superior obstacle avoidance, stronger vacuum pickup, and better edge mopping, it just performs better in my home. Affiliate links for both are in the description, and if these side-by-side tests help you make better buying decisions, hit subscribe. I test home products so you don't have to make an expensive mistake.